Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Logan's DIY Garage. So, pretty much what I have a problem with is this. So what you have to do is, I don't know, I'm gonna replace my top post, but I'm not for sure. You see, what happened is the guy who had it before us took and painted this, so I don't think. So I'm not sure what's happening because it normally has enough power to start it. Let's see if it'll start this time. See that? So you see gauges turn on, everything turns on, and then you try to start it, and it just dies. You try to kick it in, it won't work. You go outside, beat it with a wrench. You gotta keep beating it until it comes on. I haven't got a clue why. Even every now and then that won't work, so you gotta go and take off the battery terminals completely, and then soap it will start back up. Now I took them off, redid them, so now I'm gonna see if it'll start. Alright, turn the key, everything turns on like normal. Yeah. I'm not sure why it does that, but if any of you guys know why, could you please give me a comment on this video. Please tell me why it does this. Thank you. See ya.